This lesson is about 100 daily use sentences covering various topics and situations as mentioned below. Greetings and social interactions. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hi there. Hi there. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How's your day going? How's your day going? What's up? What's up? Long time no see. Long time no see. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How have you been? How have you been? I am doing well, thanks. I am doing well, thanks. Not too bad, yourself? Not too bad, yourself? I am not feeling great today. I am not feeling great today. What's new in your life? What's new in your life? Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Sorry, I did not catch that. Sorry, I did not catch that. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? I am sorry for the misunderstanding. I am sorry for the misunderstanding. Daily routine. Daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After waking up, I brush my teeth. After waking up, I brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower. Then, I take a shower. I get ready for work or school. I get ready for work or school. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I usually have cereal for breakfast. I usually have cereal for breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee to wake up. I drink a cup of coffee to wake up. I leave for work or school at 8 a.m. I leave for work or school at 8 a.m. I take the bus to work or school. I take the bus to work or school. I usually arrive at work or school at 9 a.m. I usually arrive at work or school at 9 a.m. I have a lunch break at noon. I have a lunch break at noon. I eat lunch with my coworkers or classmates. I eat lunch with my coworkers or classmates. I come back home by 6 p.m. I come back home by 6 p.m. Dinner is usually around 7 p.m. Dinner is usually around 7 p.m. I like to watch TV after dinner. I like to watch TV after dinner. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. On weekends, I sleep in. On weekends, I sleep in. I like to read before bed. I like to read before bed. I set an alarm to wake up. I set an alarm to wake up. I need to do laundry today. I need to do laundry today. Food and dining. Food and dining. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? I will have pancakes, please. I will have pancakes, please. Can I get scrambled eggs? Can I get scrambled eggs? I will take a bacon and cheese omelette. I will take a bacon and cheese omelette. I prefer my eggs over easy. I prefer my eggs over easy. Do you want cereal or oatmeal? Do you want cereal or oatmeal? I like my coffee black. I like my coffee black. Could you pass the salt, please? Could you pass the salt, please? The soup is too salty. The soup is too salty. This dish is delicious. This dish is delicious. I would like to order a salad. I would like to order a salad. Can I have the dressing on the side? Can I have the dressing on the side? I am a vegetarian. I am a vegetarian. I am allergic to peanuts. I am allergic to peanuts. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? I will have a sandwich with turkey. I will have a sandwich with turkey. Can I get some extra ketchup? Can I get some extra ketchup? This steak is perfectly cooked. This steak is perfectly cooked. I would like a glass of water, please. I would like a glass of water, please. Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? Shopping and retail. Shopping and retail. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. I am going to the supermarket. I am going to the supermarket. Do you have a shopping list? Do you have a shopping list? I am looking for fresh produce. I am looking for fresh produce. Where's the nearest grocery store? Where's the nearest grocery store? I need to pick up some milk. I need to pick up some milk. I will get some bread too. I will get some bread too. Can you help me find the aisle? Can you help me find the aisle? I am looking for canned tomatoes. I am looking for canned tomatoes. Do you sell organic vegetables? Do you sell organic vegetables? How much is a dozen eggs? How much is a dozen eggs? Is there a sale on cereal? Is there a sale on cereal? I would like to buy some pasta. I would like to buy some pasta. Do you have any gluten-free options? Do you have any gluten-free options? I will take frozen vegetables. I will take frozen vegetables. Are these items on clearance? Are these items on clearance? I need to buy cleaning supplies. I need to buy cleaning supplies. Where's the cleaning aisle? Where's the cleaning aisle? I am looking for laundry detergent. I am looking for laundry detergent. Can you recommend a good brand? Can you recommend a good brand? Travel and transportation. Travel and transportation. I need to book a flight. I need to book a flight. I am traveling to Paris. I am traveling to Paris. What's the departure time? What's the departure time? I will need a round-trip ticket. I will need a round-trip ticket. Do you have any direct flights? Do you have any direct flights? How much is a one-way ticket? How much is a one-way ticket? I would like to upgrade to first class. I would like to upgrade to first class. Is there a layover on this flight? Is there a layover on this flight? What's the baggage allowance? What's the baggage allowance? I will take an aisle seat, please. I will take an aisle seat, please. Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat? Is there in-flight entertainment? Is there in-flight entertainment? What's the flight duration? What's the flight duration? I need to rent a car. I need to rent a car. Do you have any compact cars? Do you have any compact cars? What's the daily rental rate? What's the daily rental rate? I will need insurance coverage. I will need insurance coverage. Can you recommend a GPS? Can you recommend a GPS? What's the mileage limit? What's the mileage limit? I need a car with a full tank. I need a car with a full tank. Summary of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.